Hey guys, I'm sorry. This is the part two because I really got interrupted my first one by a phone call because I'm using my iPhone 4. And yeah, so what I was doing was I was just taking the stuff off, and all I had to do was clip it in, which I couldn't do. So I finally clipped it in, and I'm here back to show you that's it. That's all I had to do. Just clip it in, I'm done. So here are all the scraps.
You want more chicken than what you got?
Yes, please. I would like more chicken than what I got. Bam! That's what I'm talking about. Full steering. Handbrake. Clutch throttle. Doesn't work because I still have to charge it for 18 hours at least. But yeah. So here we have the end product. Alright, thank you guys. This is the unboxing of the Razer E100. Camera won't focus. Hey, what's up? After it charges for at least 18 hours, I'll be back and doing my first test run, and then after a couple days or a week of using it, watch out, I'll be doing a review. So guys, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Hey, it's your call.